Welcome home, Bitcoin truth seekers. It is Tuesday, July 18th, 6:37 a.m. here in the Arizona desert. Are we going to see any XRP millionaires today? All right, well, we're going to find out. We'll take a look. It does seem like Gensler is pushing back against that judge's decision, and that's kind of what I was thinking, that maybe that judge's decision would not stand, saying that XRP is not a security. We'll see how it goes, but definitely we're going to see some turbulence in the XRP chart today for sure, if it has not already started. I didn't look at it yesterday, so my guess is it'll be very interesting to see what that chart is doing. BitcoinDailyView.com got more for you there. Go check it out. It's fun. Looking at the crypto universe in squares, mostly red today. Solana taking a big hit. Bitcoin down 1.47 last 24 hours, coming in at 29,737. 737. That's a good omen. All right, looking at FinViz, the market just opened. The Dow opened up 0.14% up. NASDAQ down 0.42. S&P 500 down 0.08. Russell 2000 index, very important indicator, I do believe. I think it tells you more about what's going on in the market than the S&P 500. And it's saying we're up 1%. I love it. So in general, market looking, well, it's too darn early to tell. It's too darn early to tell. Can we even get a read here on the S&P 500 here? The data's not coming in yet. So anyway, we'll see. Market opening positive on the Dow, positive on the Russell. Kind of too early to tell for the Nasdaq and the S&P 500, but with the positive Russell, I will take it. I like seeing that. That's a good thing. Looking at REX, what's getting liquidated? Looking at all trading pairs that are long and shortable with leverage on the big exchanges. Last hour, 200 million wrecked, and 1.5 million that was long. So basically people are trying to long, but they're trying too hard to long, but they're also trying to short. That's down 800k. Last 24 hours, we got 105 million wrecked. That's about good. That's good. Long 76 million, short 28 million. So basically people are trying to they're trying long and short, make some money, but they're trying a little bit too hard right now. But at least the volume's not super high. So we have the reckless traders who are trying too hard to long and short with leverage, and they're getting wrecked. So anyway, volatile market, volatile moment. I personally wouldn't put big leverage in, and I'll tell you why as we roll along. Trading volume for Bitcoin at 3.4 billion. I like seeing that. It's wonderful. How's it looking for XRP? Is that here? XRP trading volume. Let's see. 896 million, not even a billion. Not bad. It's still trading with pretty high volume. How about SHIB? It's a good measurement to keep track of. 31 million, not too bad at all. Looking at the longs versus shorts ratio on Binance, where the big money is, 64% long, 34% short. I think those longs might be the ones who are correct today. I'll tell you why as we roll along. Looking at the spot trading pairs on the big exchanges, all the top 20 exchanges are in the green. Volume is increasing. As you can see here with the 7-day graph, after a real jump over the weekend, we're beginning to see a nice little takeoff. That's good. Shook off the weak hands for sure, and people are getting in. Trading volume for derivatives on Binance right now is 42 billion. That's getting a little high. Watch out for the big exchanges to wreck your longs and shorts. Watch out for that small doji, because they don't like how they make money. They don't like that volume gets too high, open interest gets too high, boom, they're going to do something. And unless you do it first, which is take profit. ApeCoin, only one in the top 100 that I really see making a move. Actually, ApeCoin up 4%. FlexCoin, I like Flex. It's a cool project. Flex up 13%, making moves. The top 100 in general kind of sideways, but we are seeing some stuff beginning to make a move. Bitcoin's under 30,000, 29,783. I do think we might see a bit of a move today. Now, here we go on a daily chart. Nice thing, Bitcoin above the 200 moving average on the daily chart. And as you can see, it's been going sideways in this range, and it kind of dumped recently, but we're going to see it basically bounce to the top of this range. I'm going to nix this. I'm going to actually fix this measurement right here. Grab this guy here from where we're at right now. If we were to make a move back to the top of this range, that'd be like 5%. So on the daily chart, it does look like maybe we're at the bottom of a range Bitcoin's been in. This is what the whales do. They long and they short. Got their conference call, they do the manipulations, and boom. And you can see the manipulations right here. You can see the big longs and the big longs and shorts come in, and they're not trying too hard to push it around quite yet, but beware. We are looking at here on the 4-hour chart. You can go way back to like the 20th of June. this is truly a BART pattern waiting to close. So don't be surprised if Bitcoin kind of flashes down at 26,000. That could happen. I mean, look at that BART pattern. It's absolutely perfect if it happens to close. So watch out. If volume gets low, well, there you go. Somebody said a $1 million long. That's pretty darn cool. Anyway, guys, bam. Looking at the market a little bit closer. Here's that same range, 45-minute chart. You can see this range. I mean, if you were to look at this, this is what the whales are doing. They're kind of just watching. And this is really a tight pattern, kind of hard to play. But if you look, you know, and then let me grab that. You can kind of see, you can see a pattern here, you know, and especially if you're the, you know, big money making those swings happen, you know, you basically, you know, you can play this pattern. You just buy the sell the tops, buy the bottoms, or short the tops, you know, long the bottoms, however you're working it, leverage or not. It's a pretty simple thing to see what's going on here. Now, like I say, if we look at this a little bit closer, I'm just going to nix this because we don't really need it. Here we go. That can go. There we go. So let me pull this in. Make it a little bit taller. This 45-minute chart pulling in a lot of data for Bitcoin. And as you can see, it's in this range. We just dipped, you know, below, outside of this range that it's been in recently. So is it going to turn around? That's a good question. So if we look, the squeeze indicator is, you know, not quite rolling over yet, but maybe. ADX is on the way up, but I wouldn't trust it when things are dumping. We're still have a directional index in the red. We also, how about all becomes more real there. You can see that this is the culmination of also this red is a spike of buy and sell here, and you can see like how it got pushed around right here. If you look, you can see that BART pattern where we got, oh crap. I hope I don't hang up again. That's probably going to kill my stream. See, am I still live? Got a little bit of a hiccup here. Things still happening here. My chart's hung up. All right. Well, anyway, as you can see, the buy and the sell volume there made this perfect BART pattern right here within the range. Now we've come down here in the 4-hour chart to hit the 4-hour. We put down in the 4-hour 200 moving average. That's a very likely bounce spot. We're not seeing the indicators roll over yet. I'd watch for that, but you know what? If the indicators do roll over, we might be in a great spot to start moving back up this channel. And if we got back at the top of this channel, that could be an easy 5 or 6% you could make. Like I say, I'd have a trailing take profit of about -2, and when it hits 3%, that's what I would do if I was gonna play this. So anyway, trade at your own risk. It's a risky game right now. Hopefully, I'm still broadcasting. I think my internet connection just got shaky. Anyway, I would look at XRP right now, but unfortunately, I don't know if we'll see. I'm not even sure if this is I might just be talking to myself right now. We'll see. With the trading view hanging up. Okay. All right. It looks like just that chart was having trouble. XRP, it ran recently, of course, on news. It's within this fib sequence here. If we look at it, it's challenging the .382. It's kind of bounced off the .5. Looking at the indicators here, it's a 4-hour chart. Looking at the indicators, I would say, let me look at the 45-minute indicators here. Where are we headed towards right now with XRP? It looks like, you know, it's squeezing right now. I'd watch for a break above. Where's it at right now? I'd watch for a break above .7602. So like right now, it needs to break above that .382 fib level. It's about the 200 moving average 4-hour chart looking good, but it is squeezing. I'm sorry, 45-minute chart. It might be getting ready to run. I'm not feeling quite too confident. Trade your own risk. I don't think it's quite getting ready to go into Lambo mode at the very moment. How's it looking on the 4-hour chart? Yeah, 4-hour chart's still kind of in the process of maybe rolling over. let's just hold tight. Like I say, watch for that. Watch for a break above 0.7602. If it starts to make a run and the indicators, turn up, maybe we'll see a run back to, like a .82 or something like that. But tread your own risk. XRP is not looking like it has a lot of energons. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, XRP millionaires, well, might make a few percent today, one way or the other, but I don't think it's quite getting ready to go into Lambo mode again. The news has probably killed its run for the moment until Gensler is finally defeated. Anyway, take care, and my camera fell off, and take care, and I will see you later.